What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So this morning I woke up feeling like some French toast, and that's exactly what we're going to make today. So let's get to it. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is make a strawberry topping for the French toast. So to a saucepan working on medium-low heat. Add my strawberries to the saucepan. I'm going to let these heat up for a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that heated up a little bit, I'm gonna add white sugar. Then we're gonna add some good brown sugar. So what this is gonna do is it's gonna just sweeten up those strawberries just a little bit more. So a lot of people like to add some lemon juice, maybe some orange zest or something like that, a little something acidic to their strawberry glaze. But what I like to do is I like to add a little bit of almond extract. So that's what we're gonna do. It's gonna give it a little almondy. Okay, so now that it's all bubbly and heated up, I'm gonna add a cornstarch slurry to my mixture just to thicken it up a little bit. And all this is equal parts of cornstarch and water. Just add a little bit at a time. I don't want to get it too thick. Because what's going to happen is going to thicken up more as it heats up. Okay, I think that's good enough right there. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to set it to the side and let it cool. And we're going to start working on our French toast. Okay, first I'm gonna start off by, making my French toast a little crunchy. So what I have here is some cornflakes with a little bit of cinnamon in it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just crush this, just blend this up. All right, so now that I have it blended up, I'm gonna just set it to the side. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add 4 eggs to my mixing bowl. And I'm gonna just whisk it up a little bit. Start breaking the eggs down so we can make this delicious custard. Now that my eggs are whisked up enough, I'm gonna add in my whole milk and heavy whipping cream. Next, I'm gonna add in some brown sugar. A little white sugar. We're going to add in some vanilla extract, a little bit of nutmeg. We're going to throw some cinnamon in there. And a pinch of salt. Okay, let's give that a good mix. Okay guys, so what I have here is some brioche bread that I've already cut into 1.5-inch slices. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna soak these into the custard. Okay, so as you can see, I have my station set up right here. And what I'm gonna do is just take my brioche bread and just let it soak in this custard for a couple of minutes. That way it can get nice and saturated. Okay, then after that, I'm just dump it right on top of these cornflakes. Okay, boom, just like that. I'm just let it set to the side right here on my little pan. Let it chill out for a moment, and I'm gonna repeat that process. Okay, so now that my French toast has been hanging out for a few minutes, let's get to cooking it. So to the pan, I'm going to add some butter. just gonna lay those in there. And they're gonna cook for about a couple of minutes on each side. Okay, these French toasts are looking good. Now it's time to plate them up. I'm gonna put some of that strawberry on top of this. I'm going to add some of this delicious cinnamon sugar butter. Then we're going to top it off with some maple syrup. All right, there's nothing left. Okay, so there's nothing else left to do but bite into it. Now that's some French toast. This is going to satisfy my craving that I had when I woke up this morning. The crunch, you can taste the cinnamon crunch from the cornflakes and cinnamon mixture that we did earlier. The brioche bread soaked up the custard very well. The flavors are just popping. Guys, this is a great dish. This is a great dish for any morning or any brunch or even in the evening if you want to eat it like that. Guys, if you enjoyed this food vibe that we did today, please leave a comment and say, yes, I enjoyed it. Thank you very much. If you feel like subscribing to the channel, do that as well. But until then, I'll see you in the next video.